Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a true classic, the 1967 Chevrolet Impala. This car isn't just a vehicle. It's an icon that represents a golden era of American automotive design. The 1967 Impala brought together style, performance, and comfort in a way that few cars of its time could match. From its bold, elongated body lines to the elegant curves, every detail screams timeless design. The exterior styling was refreshed from previous models, giving it a slightly more modern look while keeping the signature Impala charm. The front end features a wide grille, quad headlights, and a sculpted hood that gives the car a presence you simply can't ignore. The rear showcases triple taillights on each side, a design that became synonymous with the Impala name. Step inside, and the interior reflects the attention to comfort and driver experience. With bench seating up front and rear, there's room for the whole family or a group of friends to ride in style. The dashboard is clean with clear instrumentation and chrome accents that highlight its 1960s heritage. While it may not have modern tech, it offers something arguably better, a sense of nostalgia and craftsmanship that's hard to find today. Under the hood, the 1967 Impala offered a range of engine options, from a smooth inline-six to several V8 options, including the legendary 427 cubic inch engine. The performance varies depending on the engine choice, but even the smaller engines provide a solid cruising experience. The handling is typical of a large 1960s sedan, smooth and comfortable, designed more for relaxed cruising than aggressive cornering, which adds to its charm. The ride quality is cushioned thanks to the well-tuned suspension, making it perfect for long drives or classic car shows. One of the things that makes the 1967 Impala so beloved is its versatility. Whether you're looking at it as a daily driver, a collector's car, or a restoration project, it holds its value and appeal over time. It's also a favorite in car culture, often seen in classic car meets, movies, and even music videos, cementing its status as an American icon. The combination of its styling, performance options, and cultural significance makes it a standout in the history of American cars. Owning a 1967 Chevrolet Impala is more than just owning a car. It's owning a piece of history. It's a car that tells a story every time you drive it, a car that draws attention and admiration wherever it goes. Whether you're a classic car enthusiast or just someone who appreciates timeless design, the 1967 Impala is a must-see, must-drive, and most importantly, a car that continues to leave a mark decades after its release.